Hello, if you want to add photo to a contact on Samsung Galaxy A25 5G, then the first thing that you need to do is open the phone app. Then in the phone app, of course, you want to go to contacts, choose the contact that you wish to edit, and then press this gray eye icon. Now over here you can tap on this image, and you can either open the camera in order to take a photo of the person, or you can open the gallery in order to choose a photo from your gallery. Let's say I'm gonna choose this photo. We can resize the photo, we can reposition it. Once we are done, we can press done over here at the bottom, and then press save. Now keep in mind that if the contact is saved on a SIM card, then it will not be possible to add a photo to that contact. So the contact must be saved on a phone storage or Google account or Samsung account or whatever. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!